Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying Windows 7 is updated to at least Service Pack 1. This matters for compatibility. Next, download the Chrome installer to your Downloads folder so you know where it is. Once done, make sure you run the installer as an administrator. This grants required system changes. If your antivirus blocks the setup, temporarily disable it for the install, but remember to re-enable protection immediately after installation to stay secure. You run the Chrome installer and accept the prompts. This allows files and registry entries to be placed. During setup, choose Default Install for automatic updates. Because keeping Chrome current is critical for security, choose Custom only if you need a different path. After installation, open Chrome and sign in with your Google account to sync settings. This restores bookmarks and passwords. Also, install essential extensions, one at a time, so you can confirm compatibility with Windows 7. Watch for any performance hits. You finish by pinning Chrome to the taskbar, and if you prefer, set it as the default browser to streamline daily use. Make sure Chrome is up to date by opening Menu, then Help, then About Google Chrome. Updates often fix Windows 7 specific bugs. If Chrome refuses to start, try launching in Windows 7 compatibility mode or create a fresh user profile by renaming the user data folder. This often resolves corrupt profile issues. If antivirus reblocks the app, whitelist Chrome and rescan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.